Hey guys, Pawinning here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you guys here. So in today's video, we are hanging out with a bunch of YouTubers and just getting our cars ready in preparation for APX Boston tomorrow. So right outside, I got Marcus from Roads Untraveled and Chris Amos from Winding Road Magazine. Just kind of hanging out. We're about to grab food from my restaurant. Then we're gonna go back to the house and then further get ready for the event. All right, got the E36 out of the garage finally. I'm probably gonna have Chris drive the Civic so we can kind of get both cars to the restaurant, pick up some food, and then head over to Eli. Marcus, are you fitting in there pretty well?
I don't have to adjust anything.
That's perfect.
No, it's
That's
perfect.
Awesome.
That's what I figured.
Honestly, these are some of the most fun cars. We put up a video recently of it was like an older Celica, is it better than a new BRZ? And we got so much hate. I'm like, I had more fun driving that. What, can you blame me? Like a home-built turbo car? Like,
Thank you.
I don't know, so I'm stoked.
This is my favorite feature, by the way. So
Thank you. People say that these are really clean. We'll take a left here.
Dude, it sounds like a race car.
I forgot I had the APX logo right here.
Nice.
Actually, my turbo's on this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's your turbo
Yeah.
logo? You're right though, it does drive like stock.
Yeah,
Totally drives.
It drives very, the power at least, and responsiveness is very stock. Alrighty. This feels like the good old days. I've never actually been in the passenger seat to do food deliveries before, so hiring this new driver, man.
Yeah, if you can give me a work visa, give me my US, my ability to live here. I'm down.
Thai food deliveries in a turbocharged E36.
Yes, my ticket into the US.
We're going top down here, so it's gonna be beautiful weather.
That's awesome, dude. That is sick. I am not a BMW purist in the sense that I don't give a shit if your BMW is NA or turbocharged. And honestly, some of the times I prefer the turbocharged ones. Just for that.
Driving it boosted is a whole different animal altogether. And I think personally, to me, it matches what I want in a car a lot more.
Yeah.
But with the kind of character charisma of the actual E36 chassis. And that's why I kind of pulled the trigger on it. But I'm really glad that I did, although it took me like 2 to 3 years. But
hey man, I know people who have spent 5+ years on cars that have never seen the road still.
Jesus.
So.
Well, hopefully that's not my cousin's Supra, because that's gonna take us a while too.
Right, oh yeah.
Okay, we just wrapped up lunch. We're heading over to the hotel we're gonna be staying at, and hopefully we're gonna meet all the personalities. Wow, this shadow right here is crazy. But hopefully we're gonna meet the rest of the personalities there today. I know Eli and Chris are picking them up from Logan Airport right now, so looking forward to seeing them there.
When I do
Yo, this lady behind us is just weaving.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my God! Curving all over the place. Wow.
Oh my God.
Holy crap. Oh, Jesus. It's my luck to be the last guy in line in this crew here. Okay, we're going at good speed.
Oh, we're stuck behind a limo. Let's see what Keep coming.
Oh, hey.
Keep coming. And hard stop.
Do you want to air it out? Put it in second position. Yep. Turn it. Yep. Perfect. And I'll show you one more thing about.
Who knew BMW was so good at engineering it?
Isn't it really fun?
Yes. Oh yeah, it's super fun.
It's like super unique because it's both awesome and terrifying. Gives you like definitely like a little bit of shit chance factor.
Yeah.
Power.
Everything is true. Everything you're saying is true.
It has way too much power, and that's what makes it fun.
Oh, look at that. Field trip room assignments. Rooms with Eli. Okay, so right now we're going to be heading to the dinner event for the super fans that have paid for the VIP tickets. So I'm pretty excited because that's going to be where we also reconnect with all the other YouTubers that are coming to the event. guys good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I have no idea where I'm going. I'm only at work. Am I just gonna follow you?
Awesome. Hey guys, so it's the next day now. We are preparing to leave for the actual event here. Right now, I just pulled the E36, just got some gas. So we'll catch you guys back in a bit when we actually arrive at the event venue. Marcus working his magic here. We're improvising a little bit.
Well,
Trying to make the best of the situation here, but I think we'll be able to get some good stuff for you.
I don't think somebody's ever used the word magic in Samsung Galaxy S7.
We're walking inside K1 Speed now. I got to set up the Acuity booth personally, so a little bit hectic here, but it's going to be a really good time. So we got the whole crew here, just kind of chilling, checking out the space. All right, so we got the booth set up behind me. A big thank you to my buddy Tristan here. He has the actual second 10th gen Civic Si right next to mine, also featuring some parts from Acuity, and we thought it'd be a perfect chance for us to kind of man a booth and then represent the brand itself. So we got a young YouTuber in the car right here. What is your name? Grayson, right?
Yes.
What is your channel again? How do you like the car so far?
I'm liking it.
Awesome, awesome. Well, hey, I wish you luck on your channel, and I'm excited to see that video as well. So we got the Acuity tent all wrapped up now. We're cleaning up the event. Everyone's pretty much wrapped up over here too. Huge shout out to Tristan for helping me at the booth itself. I'm very glad to participate in this event and meet a bunch of awesome personalities. It was great hanging out with all of you guys, and I'm glad that you guys came for the weekend. I know it was a little short, but hopefully we'll see you guys next year. But to keep up with more current updates on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, but I'll catch you guys in the next video.